Beer really makes me crave potato skins. Doesn't it make you crave? Yeah, so I gotta get my potatoes started. First thing I wanna do to these guys is get them cooked and softened. And then once they are, just cut them in half, take the meat out, save it for mashed potatoes. Right now I wanna get some olive oil on these guys. I'm using russet potatoes because the skin is firmer and that'll crisp up and give me a better base for my beer cheese. Get it all nice and covered. A little bit of salt and pepper. And these guys go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. Keep flipping my bacon over until it's totally cooked. Whop, whop. They're still a little warm, but I can handle it. Because I'm gonna cover my skins in butter, put them back in the oven so they crisp up. Just need to get a little bit of butter melted. So while my butter melts over here, I'm gonna get started on my skins. They just get cut right in half. Give them a little time to steam out. And turn my butter off. What I wanna do is I wanna make a little valley, scoop out all the potato. You have mashed potatoes for later, anything I wanna do. Just get a little bit of butter all over them so they get nice and crispy in the oven. Sometimes it's fun to splurge, have some decadence. A little pepper, and a little bit of salt. Back into the oven, 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Time to get my bacon off. Bacon to the side, tempting. Open up my beer for my beer cheese. Get about a half a cup in there. Now I'm gonna start my cheese. So if I add some cornstarch, it will help thicken it. It's gonna make my cheese nice and creamy. So I can pour it right over my potato skins. I'm using sharp cheddar in my beer cheese because it's the perfect melting cheese. So now, just add a little bit of cheese at a time until each handful melts, and then I'll add more. Look at it bubble up. The beer and the sharp cheddar mixed together smell amazing. But come on, melted cheese on anything? What's not good about that? Last bits. As soon as this melts, I'm gonna take the heat off and grab some other goodies. Got some Worcestershire sauce, and that's gonna add a nice salty, fuller flavor. A little cayenne for some kick, just a pinch. And then a pinch of dry mustard. So now I just stir these guys in. A gooey. Mmm. Oh, that's really good. You can really kind of taste the beer. It's almost bitter, but not quite. Beer cheese is done. Time to get my potato skins out of the oven. Get my scallions chopped. So I'm gonna lay the beer cheese over my potato skins and then crumple up a little bit of bacon and a little bit of scallions right over top. It's gonna be one tasty bite. I love bacon. Okay, building my beer cheese potato skins. Pretty good, not too hot. I'm just gonna pour it. Ooey gooey. Some bacon. I feel like I'm in kindergarten and I'm, you know, finger painting now, but with food. There we go. My beer cheese potato skin flour.